welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Today we are making another highly requested balloon garland. The theme for this balloon garland is frozen. Extremely excited to see what this thing is gonna turn out. This video is sponsored by Lavender Paper and a balloon company. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I love working with them. They do have a lot of choices of colors and sizes and other party supplies. I will link their website in the description under the video. Also, you guys, if you decide to purchase anything from them, you can always save 10% off by using my code Anastasia10. If you'll have any other questions about any of the products, you can always contact Carolina. She will help you out. She's amazing. Everything I will be using in this video, I will link in the description under the video as well. And I will link all the balloon count and all the balloon sizing right there. So if you're interested in that kind of information, check the description under the video. And without any further ado, let's go. Here is what I'm planning to use for today's balloon garland. I am working with two colors today. These are my light blue pearl balloons in three sizes, 16, 11, and 5. And these are my lavender pearl balloons in three sizes as well, 16, 11, and 5. Then Lavender Paper and Balloon Company sent me these frozen orbs balloons. I have no idea how they're gonna look like. We'll find out together. I will be using my electric balloon pump, 20 or 30 pound fishing line, and a low temperature glue gun or dashes from Lavender Paper and Balloon Company. Dashes are adhesive glue dots, but in form of little squares. They are really good if you're afraid of using a low temperature glue gun. Dashes are the way to go. I am ready to blow all of my balloons up. I am not mixing colors. I am working one color at a time, and I am pairing balloons. I will be pairing 11-inch with 11, 5 with 5, and 16 with 16. Two balloons at the same time. And tie two balloons together to create a pair. My two garlands, I am using 20 and 30 pound fishing line. I am running out of my 20 pounds, so I would have to use 30 pound fishing line. I want to split my two garlands into two colors. So first balloon garland will be blue and purple, and the second one's going to be blue and purple, but opposite sides, if that makes sense. To start building my balloon garland, I am tying my fishing line to my first pair. I am starting with 16-inch balloons. Second pair right on top of my first pair. I'm kind of pinching two pairs with my fingers, taking my fishing line and wrapping that fishing line around one of the newly placed balloon, pulling on my fishing line and pushing my balloons together. Again, around newly placed balloon, push and pull. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line, because fishing line can cut your balloons. Keep doing that with all of your balloons until you reach the desired length of your garland. Secure your balloon garland. Cut a long piece of fishing line, hold it with one hand, with your other hand take that tail and wrap around one of the balloons. Now you created this loop. Take that fishing line tail and feed it through the loop, pull on it. Do that a couple of times to make sure your garland is secured for sure. Let's build our second balloon garland. Hanging my balloon garlands, you guys, I don't like the idea of having a balloon garland with this simple kind of column look. I love to make balloon garlands that are organic looking, like not just perfect column. So now I want to switch a few balloons, like play around with my balloon garland, switch shape and direction of my balloons. So much better. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing to my second balloon garland. To fill in spaces on our balloon garlands, I am taking 2 pairs of balloons and I am intertwining them together to create these clusters. I did that with my 11-inch pairs and with my 5-inch balloons as well. Put our finishing touches with these frozen orbs balloons. I like to blow my orbs balloons or any self-sealing balloon with cool, not warm, not hot electric balloon pump. If your pump will be warm or hot, you have a chance to melt this insert that all of the self-sealing balloons have inserted in them. So if your electric balloon pump is warm, please use a hand pump instead, or wait until your pump cools off and then blow your balloons up. Orbs balloons, make sure you don't have any wrinkles on your seams. It's perfectly round and it's not looking saggy. So this is a perfectly blown balloon. This is so cute. Olive, 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 Olaf. Here is
Is what I have for you guys today. This is my Frozen theme balloon setup. I love how everything turned out. I love the quality of all the balloons. I only lost 2 purple 5-inch balloons. They didn't pop, but they came with no lip at the end of them, so I couldn't blow them up, so I threw them out. The rest of the balloons, no problem there. I will link everything, all the count of all the balloons and sizes in the description under the video. Everything except these orbs balloons were attached on my low temperature glue gun. These orbs balloons are very interesting. They are translucent, but with pictures of Frozen characters. I love them so much, and I did attach them with my glue dots because I'm afraid my low temperature glue gun will melt through them. Use glue dots on your orbs balloons to avoid that potential popping. Alrighty guys, I will share a few pictures at the end of this video.
Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on this Frozen theme balloon garland backdrop setup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to help you to the best of my ability. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you again to Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company for sponsoring this video. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!